Hi, Camille and the Studio Birds here with a Beyond the Cover, and this week it is a book, the book from June, just finished it. And this book is a book that was inspired long ago by an image I saw of red grooms called Gertrude Stein. I had come up with a sketch working around the idea of getting to know your thoughts and being with your thoughts, and instantly remembered that long ago image that I had seen of red grooms. So I really had fun playing around with what red grooms had done with paper folding, and was inspired by that and created this little book called Lap Pet. And you can see that I started out with a relief print, carved that, and then did a collage on the computer with lots of different fabrics and textures. And you can see that fabric there that I used for the chair. Fun little book, month of June. You can see this book and more of my patterns on my Etsy shop. Hope you have some time this week to make something. Thanks for watching.